May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship, for the sole respondent, Your Lordship.
Item 7.
Lordship. Lordship, I pray that the matter be posted after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
After
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Milords, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner in this matter, Milords.
Yes. So they are
Milords,
seeking
I have no objection. I have no objection, but Milords, I am just praying that interim shall be continued, Milords.
Mr.
Rajesh Kumar for the petitioner.
Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Land Counsel for the petitioner.
I am sorry, Your Lordship, for the respondent.
Land Counsel for the respondent sought for adjournment for
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why? Otherwise?
Lordship, there is some instruction to be taken from the client, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Submit that we need some objection, sorry, some instruction to be obtained from his clients and prays for adjournment for 2 weeks.
Your Lordship.
The prayer not objected, start. Accordingly, the matter stand adjourned for 2 weeks. Stop. The list is matter after 2 weeks. Stop. The interim order process earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Much pleased.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship also beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship.
Item
For Your Lordship, for respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
4.
Lordship, for the petitioner.
Okay.
Lordship.
Lordship,
Any
no objection, Lordship.
okay.
Lordship, for 2 weeks, Your Lordship. After 2 weeks.
Okay, Mr.
Lordship, make it 3 weeks, Lordship.
Land Counsel for the respondent number 3. Prays for adjournment of the matter for 3 weeks, to which Mr. Procedural for the Land Counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Prayer allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Lordship, that's an interim.
Okay.
Can let the interim continue, Lordship.
Interim, yeah.
Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
Record presence of Mr. Angami also here in this case. Too. Okay.
Item number 5, Lordship. Lordship, I have received the affidavits filed by the respondents. So I may be allowed at least 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit in reply.
Lordship, here, respondent number 3 will be represented by a new counsel. We will no longer be representing respondent number 3. We
Three.
have already, yes, Lordship. We have
Who are-
already handed over the
Okay,
brief to the-
who represented earlier?
TB Jamir.
TV Jamal.
Yes.
Now who will represent?
My please, your lordship. My senior will be bring correspondent number 3, your
Okay, who is your senior?
Yanawati, your lordship.
Okay. Ms. Fosego for the land counsel for the petitioner submits that he had just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent and prays for some time to file reply. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. Mr.
TB Jamir.
Okay. Your
Mr. Chila.
submits that Mr. TV Jamil, who earlier appeared, who earlier represented respondent number 3, will no longer be
Representing.
appearing, no longer represent the respondent number 3, and in his place, Mr.
Jingyang Pom, your lordship.
Okay. Hence, his name may be deleted from the cause list. Stop. Mr. You are Mr.
Jingyang Pom, your lordship.
Jinyampong. Would appear on behalf of, you file your Wakalat Nama?
Yes, your lordship, we have already
Okay.
filed.
Some state. Who is your senior, you said?
Yanawati,
Okay.
your lordship.
Some state. They have filed a Wakalat Nama. Hence pray for. Hence pray for. Reflect. Reflecting the name of Mr. Yangabati and Yangabati, who else will be accompanied with?
Yes, your lordship. His junior, your lordship.
Who?
Oh, Jingyang Pom, your lordship.
Okay, Yangabati and Jinyampong. Sung, not Jing.
Jingyang Pom, your lordship.
Okay, Jingyangpong may be reflected in the course list as the counsel for the respondent number 3.
Lordship, TB Jamir and Associates.
TV Jamir and Associate.
Yes.
Okay. TV Jamir's name is there.
It's not reflected in the.
It's not
course
reflected
list.
also.
TB Jamir, Peter Serto,
Okay,
I Jamir and Chila Jamir.
their name, may be deleted, Okay, the registry shall do the needful. Okay,
Lordship as an interim. Can let the interim continue, Lordship.
okay. Then that is after the date fixed, The interim or the past area shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Hello, Vice Mal.
May it please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner. My lord, the learned counsel for the petitioner is currently out of station, so I request for a short adjournment on his behalf.
To be informed the other side. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
You're for?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1.
Okay, you're for petition.
Yes, my lord. I'm on behalf of the learned counsel.
Okay, Mr.
Akri, Abili Zhao,
Akru, you say,
and Abilo Zhao.
you are a village,
Yes, yes, my lord.
land council. Submits that the land council for the petitioner, Mr. Abil Zhao is out of station and prays for adjournment of the matter
A
for
week time. A week time.
for a week, stop. For a week, to which Mr.
Manchong Konyak, on behalf of my senior Imti Longcham.
Land council might,
Manchong Konyak,
Manjung Konya, appearing on behalf of Mr.
Imti Longcham.
AMT Longzin, land council for the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List is matter after a week. Okay.
My please, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6. I bring,
Six.
yes, your lordship, I bring from my senior Yanawati, your lordship, here with newly parties is being implemented respondent number 3. So operated if 3 weeks be given to me to file my affidavit, your lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship, consent has been taken. Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Consent has been taken from the other parties. Yes.
Okay, Mr.
Jingyang Pom, Your Lordship.
appearing on behalf of Mr. Yangarwati, submits that. So you are appearing for the newly impleted respondent number 3.
Yes, all the respondents, Your Lordship. My senior is appearing for all the respondents.
Okay,
Respondent 1, 2, and 3, Your Lordship.
praise for further.
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks time to file affidavit on behalf of all the respondents.
No, no, Your Lordship, for the respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
For the respondent number 3,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the prayer is allowed, list is matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
11.
Yes. Lordship, here the matter is under consideration and the matter is now before the Law and Justice for its comments. And we are still awaiting. So Lordship, can you run this matter after 3 weeks?
So,
So I've received a letter
hmm,
to my learned friend by the department that is working on Washington department.
Hmm.
Lordship, so far as submission of my learned friend is concerned, she is agreeing on the instruction of the respondent.
Hmm.
Matter pertains to payment of minimum pay scale to the
Okay.
fixed
mhm,
employees.
yes,
Order was passed in the year 2022.
Hmm.
And the petitioner is serving for more than 30 years on fixed fee.
hmm,
Now, after 5 years, he will be retired.
okay,
Now, on similar matter, Lordship, SLB was filed by the state challenging the direction given by the Honorable Court for payment of minimum pay scale to the fixed pay employees.
hmm,
That is SLB also dismissed.
okay.
So,
Now they
Lordship,
have not.
it is the authority to pay the minimum pay scale to the fixed.
So
pay
Lordship,
employees.
we are considering, yes, under
Yes.
consideration.
So,
So
there's-
Mr. What is the Milan counsel for the petitioner is present? Ms. V. Shukri, and additional entry, appearing on behalf of the respondent, submits that the matter is under consideration and it is lying before the law department for.
yes, Law and Justice
the
for its
Department
vetting,
of Law and Justice for
its views and comments, Your Lordship.
its views and comments and pray for how much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
For the 3 weeks time. The prayer is allowed, at least this matter after 3 weeks. But I think on the earlier occasion also you took some time to inform the department also.
Yes,
Expedite.
yes,
No
earlier-
option, no
yes,
option.
yes. Now, it's like this, Lordship.
Mm.
Earlier, a committee was constituted.
Yes. yes,
Then we have been waiting for the committee report.
yes.
Then later on, we found that the committee pertains only to the contingency employee, not to the
Okay.
word charge employee. So here is the question of the word charge employee.
Yes,
So now again, we took the first step again, Your Lordship.
Okay.
That is how it has been dragging on, Your Lordship, but it is now under active consideration, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, much obliged.
Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 9, Lordship, on behalf of Moy Engine, Lordship. Here, Lordship, I'm here to obtain instructions, so can you grant me 2 weeks' time, Lordship?
Ms. Chen. Direct Government Advocate appearing on behalf of Mr. Moy and Chen. Direct Counsel for the respondent. Number? Praise for father. How much time you said?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit. To obtain instruction or to file
To
affidavit
obtain instructions, Lordship.
and to file affidavit in opposition. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Sorry, Lordship. Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 10, Lordship, on behalf of VGMO, Lordship. If
We
you,
have a wisdom,
Lordship.
similar order, huh? Change wisdom. Yes,
Your
you're-
Lordship, in item number 10,
Yes.
as
Chen.
per the direction of your this honorable court, newspaper publication was made upon respondent number. Respondent number 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
Okay. You file affidavit? to the-
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay, leave that. Hard Mr. Oh, sorry, hard Miss,
Arats Lakibs.
land counsel for the petitioner. Who submits that service upon the respondent number 4 and 5 has been caused by, affected by publishing in the newspaper. Which newspaper?
Annexure number 2, your lordship. In my affidavit, your lordship.
Published in the newspaper. Which newspaper? By publishing the
Eastern Mirror, your lordship.
Eastern
Mirror, your lordship.
Mirror.
Yes,
on,
lordship.
On which date?
The main newspaper is in your lordship copy, your,
No, when it was published?
it's not in my copy, so your lordship.
Okay, so please. On 26 September. Eastern Mirror, huh? On 26/9/2024. And file affidavit to that effect annexing the newspaper publication. Stop. No one appears on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5. Stop. However, Ms. Chang appearing on behalf of Mr.
Vijay, your lordship.
Vizimomi, counsel for the respondent number. Jimomi is for respondent number.
One, two, three.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
Press for father, how much time?
3 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks time
Lordship.
to file affidavit.
Lordship. Your lordship, for hearing, your lordship, admission hearing, your lordship.
They have already filed.
Your lordship, the state no.
Not yet
They
filed.
submitted that they will not file their counter, your lordship, and it was fixed for admission hearing multiple times, your lordship.
Whether they have earlier expressed that they will not be filing.
Yes, your lordship.
By which order do you remember?
And this
Now-
matter has been fixing for admission hearing since December 2022, your lordship.
Now Ms. Chang is praying for filing, for obtaining instruction and to file affidavit. I think there is no other as such. Okay. Okay. Press for 3 times, no? The prayer is allowed. List this matter again after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
This is in admission only.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay,
There's an error, my lord.
stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue to the next date.
Obligement. Obligation. 3 weeks. Lordship, I,
3 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, I also have similar prayer for item number 14, Lordship. On behalf of
Just a minute,
SME.
just a minute. Huh?
Lordship.
Because after respondent number 4 and 5, huh? Respondent number 4 and 5, no one appears, no? In view of the above, the notice upon the respondent number 4 and 5 shall be treated as completed. Okay. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Similar prayer for item 14, Lordship.
Item 14,
Yeah, Lordship, on behalf of S Mayor, Lordship.
criminal petition.
May I please your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, only this morning I filed my wakalatnama for respondent number 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I also submit my affidavit in opposition only this morning.
you submitted your affidavit in opposition also.
Yes, your lordship.
You have received a
Yes,
copy.
I've received a copy, Your Honor.
Okay. Miss
Manashana.
Manashana, Land Council for the petitioner. I've also had Miss Chen, Land Council for the appearing on behalf of
S Mayor, Lordship.
S. Mary, Land people for the state staff. Mr.
Penyang Lushing.
Would you appear? You're appearing for the first time.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, would appear on behalf of the respondent number 2, 4,
5,
5,
6, and
6, and 7. And submit that. Yes. Also file affidavit in opposition today.
Your Lordship, if the matter can be listed on 8th of November.
Okay. So state is filing any objection?
Lordship, still. I'm not aware, Lordship, but I just need 3 weeks time, Lordship, as I was in charge. Yeah.
Okay. So this will be listed again in order or for admission. In the meantime, if there is any file objection in the meantime,
Lordship.
so we'll list it in the admission column. Okay. Let's pray for this matter after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, 8th of November if possible.
Oh, November
Yes.
8
Yes, 8th of November.
as a fixed matter. You have any problem?
Lordship, both the parties are coming into compromise. This
Yes.
matter is coming into compromise.
Compromise, okay.
So, no problem,
Then
lordship.
8, okay. As prayed for by the Land Council for the parties, list this matter on 8 November.
Your Lordship, there's an interim.
Interim,
Yes.
para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. Okay.
Much ob-
Much obliged.
May I please, your Lord?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship.
yes,
Lordship, since the principal counsel is not in station at the moment, let the matter come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
okay,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, this contempt petition has been filed since March 2024, and they have been seeking time to file opposition, Lordship. So I pray that this may be their last chance, Lordship.
Okay. Miss Kamika H. Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr.
CD room, sir, Lordship.
Hmm?
CD room, sir.
CD room, so. Praise for Father. 3 weeks. How much time you said?
2 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Last opportunity is given to the respondent to file an affidavit in opposition. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention items 12 and 30. Lordship, here, in this contempt petition, we have received the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2 this morning.
Okay, what we'll do is hardly matter. Wait for some time. We'll pass order.
Yes.
It's all the same, whether you mention or. Yes.
For motion, item numbers 1 and 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this IA has been filed for replacement and implement of respondent number 1 and 2 as respondent number 4 and 5, since the previous incumbent are no longer holding the post, my lord.
Okay. Miss. You are Miss,
Arat Lakips.
okay, land council for the applicant. Para. The land council for the applicant submits that. The respondent number 1. Sri Anup Kenchi, IAS Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of PNAR. And the respondent number 2, Dr. Maungvati Iyer, IAS Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, PHED, is no longer in their respective post. No longer holding the said post. And in their place, new incumbent has been posted. New incumbent, New incumbent. Sri R. Ramakrishnan, IAS, has been posted as Principal Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of PNAR, and Sri E. Monbemo Patton, IA and AS, has been posted as Principal Secretary, PHED, Nagaland, Kohima, and prays for implead them as respondent number 4 and 5 respectively. The prayer is allowed. The prayer is considered and allowed. Let Sri R. Ramakrishnan, IAS, Principal Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of PNAR, being pleaded as respondent number 4, and and Sri E. Mobemo Patton, IA and AS Principal Secretary, be pleaded as Principal Secretary, PHED Nagaland, Kohima, as respondent number 5. With the above, these IS stamps allow them disposal. Note in the main. In view of the order passed today in ISC number 168/2024, Mr. R. Ramakrishna, IAS Principal Secretary, Secretary to the respondent and to the Government of Nagaland, Department of PNAR. And E. Monbemo Patton, IA and AS Principal Secretary, PHED, Nagaland, Kohima has been impleted as respondent number 4 and 5. Start. To this contempt petition. Start. The petitioner shall take steps upon. Then issue notice. Come on. The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent when the newly impleted respondent number 4 and 5 by a registered post which AD within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I may be allowed to file an amended petition.
The petitioner shall also file amended course title by pleading inserting the newly impleted respondent number 4 and 5, and the registry shall do the needful. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number from the supplementary cost list. Item number 15.
Council was here, maybe if it was also for some time.
Okay, so we'll take up some other matter in the meantime.
For orders, item number 12.
Please,
Yeah.
my lord. Lordship, we have received affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2
Okay.
only this morning,
Okay.
and service notice upon respondent number 3 still awaited.
Okay. Mr. Noksuntila.
No, Lordship. No more on behalf of MS Nuksungtila.
Okay. Appearing on behalf of MS Noksuntila, Land Council for the petitioner, submitted he had just received affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent
Number 2.
number 2. You want to file reply to that? No.
Lordship, I may be allowed to go through and then
And
file
rest for some
affidavit if
time to
necessary.
go through the same and to file reply if necessary.
Not sure.
The notice in respect of the respondent number 3, which is still awaited. So in view of above, please this matter. Okay.
2 weeks, Lord.
So please appear on behalf of
1 and 2.
respondent number 1 and 2. Start. Okay. Then so this was issued on not very long ago. Okay. Then in the after that our office this note still awaited. The list is in view of the above list is matter after 3 weeks.
Lord.
Okay. And then thereafter our attendance. Thereafter her attendance. Okay.
Lordship, 12 items 12 and 13 are analogous matter. Similar.
Okay.
Similar.
Similar order. Here also you are appearing.
Yes, yeah, 1.
Okay. Here also you have received affidavit.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir. Much.
For admission, item number 15.
Lordship. Lordship, this is the latest which I've received from the jail authority this morning. My lord. As per his medical records, the accused, she's suffering from seizure disorder as well as
He was discharged already.
yes, Lordship.
And
She's-
one thing is, this is a subsequent development after the filing of bail petition. So as far as this is concerned, I think this is not admissible at this stage.
My lord,
Besides, she's discharged, as my lord.
my lord, yes, my lord, she's discharged from the hospital, my lord. Yesterday, Lord, but her sickness is very serious, my lord, and she needs proper medical attention at this stage, my lord.
But she has been
Yes.
discharged now.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. She's discharged.
And earlier also, because it was the same complaint.
My lord, seizure disorder. It's seizure disorder. Is she's diagnosed with seizure disorder.
What is about it?
Non-alcoholic
She has
fatty
been
liver.
discharged
Yes, Lordship.
after minor treatment.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, can you assist me, Lordship? Lordship, seizure disorder. She's suffering from seizure disorder, non-alcoholic fatty liver disorder. And the second one is, my lord, the second one is regarding this womb infection, my lord. And the third one is non-fatty liver alcohol.
Whatever may be, but then now she is discharged.
My lord, she is
In the earlier occasion also.
she is discharged, my lord. She was admitted on 14/9.
Normal, all is normal only.
My lord, as per the pharmacies of the jail authority, she needs proper medical attention, my lord. Regular proper medical attention, my lord. And if the jail authority,
Where is the certificate saying that she needs a proper? Otherwise, normally the doctor who attend the jail take care of.
my lord, there is no proper
is
medical
normal. This
facilities
is what-
inside the jail premises, my lord.
Normal limit, normal, all normal.
No, my lord, my lord. My lord,
Seems, Arada is normal. It's all normal only, normal inside.
my lord, the patient presenting with severe terms of
Kidney, all normal.
hence,
Well, this bladder also. No, report also all normal.
no, my lord, she need proper medical attention, my lord. My lord, I want to rely on some citation passes by the.
What is the,
Honorable
what is
Supreme Court.
just a minute.
Before that, look at that petition. Petition was just not a subsequent, he was first, she came before the session court, special, before the special judge. It was rejected. No new ground was cited in the petition. This development has come up only after notice was issued. So maybe they can take this ground and file.
My lord.
Thereafter also having found her
Yes,
normal, she
yes.
has been released.
My lord,
And the review is to be done only after 1 month.
my lord,
If it is very serious, why they have to put that kind?
Otherwise, what is the latest
my lord,
status of the investigation? Anything found against her?
Yes, she is transporting, delivering.
Just mark it and just pass it.
Yes.
Twenty-one C will attract.
Yes,
21
yes.
C.
22C, Lordship.
22 C.
Yes. Parts of the conspiracy, Lordship. Now, she's presently charged under 28, 8 and 28.
What is the name of the this accused?
my lord, Jimmy Das, my lord.
What about the other accused, is Rahul, Rahul, alias Lapu, Dev and all? Have they been arrested?
My lord, as per the FIR, her name is not reflected in the FIR. But through the
Name.
disclosure of the co-accused, she was arrested on 12/8/2024, my lord. And
Yeah.
at the time of her arrest, nothing was recovered from her possession, my lord.
Do you have the statement of the accused?
No, Your Lordship.
My lord, if I may allow to kindly rely on judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
The fact is with us. No, would like to see the allegation and the statement of the accused.
Lordship.
My lord, it's
Because
not,
in her examination, what she has stated
Lordship.
and the other one.
Lordship, that in
Because from the statement only, what is the allegation against her?
Lordship,
We would be able to come to know.
Lordship, if
But
that,
unless that is made available, how do
Yes.
we go to?
Lordship, if
How
that
do
is
we
the
ascertain?
case, give you some days, I'll be able.
my lord,
Now you produce the entire case.
Okay, okay, no problem.
my lord, kindly hear me, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
Yes.
Since she was admitted on 2 occasions, my lord. First, that was on 14 of last month, and she was discharged on 19 due to seizure disorder and difficulties in problem. Thereafter, she was having regular medication, my lord, inside the jail premises. Thereafter, again, she was admitted on,
No, all these things have been considered by the trial court.
my lord, I don't have any
Well-
problem if there is requisite medical facilities inside the jail premises, my lord. At least let her avail, my lord,
Yes,
proper
that
medical
can-
attention, my
that-
lord,
That can be.
for her recovery, my lord.
Yes, that can be.
Lordship,
My lord, if it is not done, my lord, it will infringe his
Right.
right to Article
Lordship,
21, my
one
lord.
thing is, Lordship, the question of maintainability of the application is, the question is there here, as far as this petition is concerned. The issue of medical treatment is concerned, that is already taken care of by the trial court. Then now the present sickness is a subsequent development, so maybe they have to come with a fresh application.
Mr. Nishuka Chishi, Line
What?
Counsel for the petitioner. I've also heard Mr. Kiangami, Line PP for the state. Mr. Kiangami submitted a status report. However, the case study has called for has not been produced. But why the case study has not been produced?
Lordship, I thought it will suffice with this, otherwise we'll obtain it, no problem, Lordship.
My lord, kindly, if interim may be granted, my lord, at least let her avail, my lord.
Please for some time to produce the scanned copy of the entire case study for perusal of the court.
My lord, kindly allow me to rely on judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
Yes,
My lord,
but then you see, the fact is with us. The fact and figure is with us.
my lord, if it's
know the
only on a
position.
presumption, my lord, it will be against you,
No,
my lord, you're well aware of it, my
after
lord.
perusal of the case study, will release if she's.
My lord, there is urgency in this case, my lord.
What is the urgency? She has
My
already
lord,
been
she has
released.
been discharged, but there is no proper medical facilities inside the jail premises, my lord. It's a life-threatening, my lord. It's a life-threatening, my lord. And
How about
apart from
that?
that, she is a lady, my lord.
Next week, Thursday, Lord.
Okay,
My lord,
praise for some more time. Okay, the prayer is allowed. List is matter next Thursday.
my lord, kindly,
In the meantime,
my lord.
Para, in the meantime. On which date, Mr. Lana PP shall produce the scanned copy of the case diary stuff, Para. In the meantime, the SP J shall provide SP jail shall. Just a minute, huh?
Even otherwise, there's a order passed as far as her for taking care of her health is concerned, even the last order, Lord.
Last order.
Yes, the proper security will be arranged, all this.
My lord, my humble request, my lord. At least let her avail proper medical attention, my lord. Regular proper medical attention, my lord.
The superintendent stroke deputy superintendent of jail, district jail, Kohima. Will facilitate and allow the accused to avail proper medical treatment. And the proper security. Okay.
Yes, your Lord.
My lord, kindly, my lord, at least, my lord, since if there is proper medical facilities inside the jail premises, my lord, I have no objection, my lord. But since there is not proper medical facilities inside the jail premises, my lord, and this sickness is life-threatening, my lord.
That is why.
At least interim may be granted, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
That is why.
If something happen inside the jail premises, during the custody, my lord,
They are objecting, they'll take care and they know their responsibility.
my lord, they have already,
Now you see, you should also realize that your bail application has been rejected by the trial court.
my lord,
The special
yes,
case.
my lord.
And then immediately after that, within a week, you have filed bail application before this,
My lord,
before this court.
yes,
And then there is no new ground.
my lord.
Same ground you have.
No,
taken.
my lord, no, my lord. On my
Then
bail
next
application, my
Thursday-
lord, it was
Let
rejected.
us see, next Thursday. Produce entire.
My
case
lord,
diary.
it's
Otherwise-
infringement of
otherwise,
Article 21, my lord.
on the medical ground, because once it was rejected, and then this perhaps the new development also only after filing of the
Yes, yes.
bail application only.
Yes.
My lord, my,
Ground,
if
as such, they have no ground.
Is it?
on
Let
19,
us
my,
see.
on 19,
Yes.
my bail application was rejected. There was a reliable proof, my lord, regarding medical report, my lord, which was produced before the session court, my lord. But without considering the actual facts and circumstances of the
No,
case, my
no,
lord,
similar-
it was rejected, my lord.
No.
Reliable proof was there, my lord.
Similar, you see, complaint.
By letter dated
vomiting,
18 and 19,
vomiting,
my lord.
etc.
Yes.
This is nothing.
And the
otherwise-
report, the last report says
All the
stable.
reports are normal. I've seen the report. Yesterday, which you have produced also, all showing normal.
My lord, it's not stable, my lord.
Next week.